Alright, today is June 7th, 2021. We're doing our one box Legacy 2 random teams per spot number 9. Got our box here, both of our dice for our random. Any duels will be randomed off between the teams at the end, dual autos or dual cards. There are dare to tears. If we do happen to pull one, the card on the outside, it will go to that team regardless if they choose to rip it or get it ship sealed. Whatever card is on the inside goes to the original team no matter what. So I'm going to pull up our list of names. 2 teams per spot, so we got the list down to 16 at John B. Got Cheryl K, Steve H for 5. Justin H, Damon P, Daniel I, Alfred B for 2, Tina M for 2, Damon P, and John B. Cheryl K, Steve H for 6, Justin H, Damon P, Daniel I, Alfred B for 2, Tina M 2, Damon P, and John B. So yeah, 6 for Steve H. Cardinals down to the football team. Both those lists copied in. Gonna roll our dice. We only reroll snake eyes. Good luck, everybody. There you go, Jacob. 6 and a 1, 7 times. Starting with names. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th and final. Steve H on top, Justin H on the bottom. Steve H on top, Justin H on the bottom. Now on to teams. Cardinals down to the football team. Same thing, 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th and final. Here's everybody's teams. Broncos down to the Niners. Broncos down to the Niners. Sorting by name, so everybody gets their teams together. Drop any trades down below. Both parties must confirm. If they do, we'll switch those up before we get going. But here's everybody's teams. Alfred B, Patriots, Packers, Ravens, Eagles. Damon P, Cardinals, Lions, Giants, Steelers. Daniel I, Dolphins, Saints. John B, Chargers, Jaguars. Justin H, Bears, Niners. Cheryl K, Raiders, Bills. Steve H, Broncos, Bucks, Titans, Colts, Cowboys, Bengals, Chiefs, Panthers, football team, Jets, and Falcons, and Seahawks. And Tina M, Rams, Vikings, Texans, and Browns. Nice roll for you, John. And Justin. Reroll. John, this is the new year. I don't know if you want to trade the Jags away. This is Lawrence rookies. Yep, there you go. Yeah, Chargers wouldn't be a bad one. Second year Herberts, so. This is the next one up. Not yet, Jacob. We might throw it up. Not confirmed yet. Yeah, Bears Niners is a nice random for Justin. All right, let's get it going. Don't think we got anything going on trades. I saw the Bears and Niners got paired up. Chargers, Jags got paired up. And the Falcons and the Jets got paired up. So that's a lot of good teams floating around together. Empty box. I think Pitts is a redemption. Besides that, I think everybody did fine. So Todd, there's a separate section for it. It's called available breaks. It's going to be the last subsection on the top of the website. All right, we got Steve Young, Reggie Bush, Mike Evans, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, RPA Kellen Mond going to the Vikings, 240 of 299. Dual Futures RPA. Yeah, no problem, Todd. Going to the Vikings. Not a bad start. Decade of Dominance, Jerry Rice, Terrace Marshall Jr., Greg Rousseau. Yeah, I knew Parsons was. And I believe that Pitts is. I think Pitts is the biggest redemption in this one. All the QBs signed, I know that. Terrell Davis, Sean Alexander, DeAndre Hopkins, Devin White, Carlos Basham Jr., rookie chrome. For the ages, Patrick Mahomes, Kwity Paye, Kellen Mond. Who had the Vikings? We'll have to look after this one. I think it was somebody. Was it you, Jacob? Were the Vikings on the bottom? Kurt Warner, Tony Gonzalez, Brandon Ayuk, Stephon Gilmore. There's a mini. Nice. Rookie bronze going to the Jets. Zach Wilson. 51 of 100. Nice hit for the Jets. Congrats on that one. Generations duel, Antonio Brown and Marquise Brown. Sam Ehlinger and Justin Fields base. Just put that to the side for now. Get a tobacco top loader. Mike Ditka, Tiki Barber, Antonio Gibson, Drew Brees, nope, all right. Pat Freiermuth, rookie chrome silver. Timeless Talents, Joe Thomas, Javion Hawkins, and Davis Mills. Lance Briggs, Joe Thomas, Patrick Mahomes, Devontae Parker, Darius Slayton, Generations Dual Kelce's, Travis and Jason, Najee Harris, TJ Vasher, Charles Haley, Hines Ward, Devontae Adams, Ben Roethlisberger, Derrick Henry, filler, flashback, Patrick Mahomes, Seth Williams, and Patrick Jones II. Thurman Thomas, Randy Moss, Deshaun Watson, Tyreek Hill, Myles Gaskin, Decade of Dominance, Aaron Rodgers, Ian Book, and Nico Collins. Oh yeah, I didn't even notice. It's blue. Hard to catch. 32 of 50. James Harrison, Deion Sanders, Miles Sanders, Justin Jefferson, Deontay Johnson, orange Tiki Barber, 179 of 199. Christian Barmore, Rondale Moore. Javon Curse, Dwight Freeney, Matt Ryan, Kenyon Drake, Josh Jacobs, nice red rookie Justin Fields going to the Bears. 112 of 299, nice hit for the Bears.
Boom.
Keelan Hill, Jalen Darden. Troy Polamalu, Mike Vrabel, Jalen Reagor, Kirk Cousins. Oh, nice. We got a Dare to Tear. Derrick Henry. Dare to Tear. Derrick Henry. Who's got him? Titans. Josh Jacobs, flashback, Patrick Surtain II, and Trey Lance. Somebody please tear it. Let's see. Titans. Steve H. I don't believe that Steve is in here. We will see. Hey, it's me, Steve Rippin. All right, we got Dan Marino, Ken Anderson, Jimmy G, Jameson Crowder, Under the Lights Chrome, Joe Burrow going to the Bengals. Decade of Dominance, Ray Lewis, Javonte Williams, Brevin Jordan. Steve, if you are in here and want that ripped, let me know. I don't believe that you are in here, so. Yeah, I wish, Jacob, but we can't do that. Brian Dawkins, Terry Bradshaw, Chase Young, Brandon Cooks, Mini Silver, Devontae Adams going to the Packers. For the ages, John Elway, Tutu Atwell, and Elijah Mitchell. Rip it? All right. We will save it till the end. And then we'll rip it. I'll do it after the break. Just so that there's no confusion. Don't even have to worry about it now that you're here. Marshall Faulk. Donald Driver. Julio Jones. Sony Michel. Greg Rousseau, silver rookie. Under the Lights. Flashback Keenan Allen, Amon-Ra St. Brown, and Sean Wade. So if you are interested in seeing that ripped, we're going to do it after the break. The card goes to Steve no matter what. Steve Largent, Jordy Nelson, Jalen Hurts, Delvin Cook, TJ Watt, Darius Leonard, yellow 144 of 150, Devontae Smith, and Penei Sewell. Well, there you go, Jacob. Said re-roll, but you hit the RPA. Dante Hall, Emmitt Smith, Kyler Murray, Derek Carr, Raheem Mostert, Filler, Timeless Talents, Dan Marino, Zach Wilson, base, Michael Carter. Yeah, the Rousseau. Michael Strahan, Eric Dickerson, Denzel Mims, Terry McLaurin, bronze, Tylan Wallace. 26 of 100. This is Ravens, right? Flashback A-Rod, Joseph Osai, and Travis Etienne, base going to the Jags. Alright, I'm going to run a quick random on the duels. Let me make sure that nobody has both on them. And then we'll close off our break, and then Steve, we will rip yours after. Alright, so we got Ravens and Bucks. Bucks. Where are the Ravens? To Alfred. Alright, so we got to random that one. And then our dual Chiefs and Eagles. And we got to random that one too. All right, so we got both randoms. We got our dual Kelce's, Chiefs and Eagles, and then our Bucks and Ravens. I'm going to roll the dice now so that we can just set them up and run both. Only reroll Snake Eyes. 2 and a 4, 6 times. Alright, let's go to random. Ravens, Bucks, and then, oh, wrong one. Chiefs, Eagles, Chiefs, Eagles. All right, rolling them both 6 times. Top spot takes them. Starting with the Brown Generations, Antonio and Marquise, Bucks and Ravens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and final. Ravens take it. All right, now on to the Eagles and Chiefs. Kelce Generations out of 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and final. Goes to the Chiefs. Congrats to both of those. All right, so that is going to close out our break. Appreciate everybody that hopped in. Congrats to all of our hitters. We'll get those out as soon as possible. Thanks to everybody that hopped in and watched as well. That will be uploaded later.